Today we are going to draw this, right? So I'm planning on using these tinted papers. I usually forgot how they actually work. I hope the charcoal pencils blend well on it. So yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna use all of it, so I think I'm gonna fold it like this. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And I got this folding phone desktop, so just to put my phone on it, so I'll open it with you, unbox it with you. So I'll try to unbox it with you. How do we actually open this? I think it's like this. Wait. Yeah, I have no idea how to open it. Right. I actually turned it off, but that's okay. Right. So this is our stand, right? And I think it goes like this and this. So first we are going to draw a circle as usual. Next I'm going to divide the face like this, right? And we have here, this is the first. Here we are going to draw the eyes, here the nose, and here the lips. Alright, so first I'm going to measure. I think this is fine, like this. This is okay. These are supposed to be the same measurements, but this is okay because we are going to draw the hair like this, so it will cover everything. Yeah. So we are going to sketch the eye. Like this, and here we have the eyebrows, and here the nose. So I think the nose should go here, because here it's too up, so I'll try to fix that. And then we blend this like this. Now for the mouth, I'll try to draw you like 2 circles. Catch. We are going to remove the guidelines like this. Like try to draw the pupil of the eye. I'm using this charcoal pencil, right? So I will try like to draw, to color the pupil of the eye. This sounds like a bad idea. Charcoal pencil, because why not? I'm trying to blend what I did here, and alright, now I'm moving to the nose. Try something like this. Okay, and for the I'm trying to define the eyeliner a bit. I want it like to have a smoky effect. Yeah, I think this one is messed up. Let's try to fix the eyebrow again. This and this, and then till we are happy with our results. Now I'm thinking about like blending this cheeks. I feel like I need a tissue to blend this, but I'm too lazy to change my blending method, so I'll just blend using a brush. I've got some tissue and I'm going to blend everything. Hair. Like this. All you have to do is just to pattern everything like this, and you are good to go. And reblend. Can't believe I didn't film that, but that's okay. I added like some stars here, and using a highlight I added like dots. Let me add more like this, but I feel like in the nose they don't look good, so I'll just remove them. And yeah, so this is the final result.